Foshan TSO Construction Machinery Company Limited is a solution provider for concrete pump. Our TSO, we are moving forward. Every step is solid and powerful. Every step is a pioneer. We have opened localization services in Southeast Asia, Middle East, Central Asia, Africa, South America, and other 10 countries. We have branch service centers in USA, Canada, Dubai, Russia, Singapore, Bangladesh, etc. We have cooperated with 19 construction machinery brands such as Caterpillar, Zoomlion, SANY, Putzmeister, Sinomuk, Sumitomo, Volvo, XCMG.
Everyone, I am Amir Iqbal. I'm working as an engineer in TSO Machine, China. Today I'm here to introduce about our factory and our company. Basically, we are the experts of manufacturing different kinds of machineries and material equipments.
Hello, this is Sayyida from TSO Machine Company. This is our products. The first one is the concrete machine, which we provide the concrete machine to other factories and for the working of the construction. Like this one machine, the basic engineering machine we provide to different countries like French, Spanish, Russia, German and Arabic, different Arabic countries.